All right, let's talk about the misconceptions of down payment. I love this one because it breaks down a bunch of good information for you. So let's stay tuned here. Misconception number one, I know I've done about 348,000 videos on this one. You don't need 20% down payment, right? The reality of it is that's a misconception. What 20% down payment does is get rid of mortgage insurance. It's not a requirement for down payment. Now let's talk about the median down payment for first-time buyers is less than 20%. And actually it's up to 9% because last year I think it was right around 7.5%, but it's up to 9% this year. So it's less than half of that right now for first-time buyers. Let's break that down a little further. The types of down payments that you can have as a first-time buyer, non-first-time buyer is anywhere from 3.5% down FHA. If you're a first-time buyer, conventional is 3%. 5% down has a lot of payment programs out there. So you don't have to even get to 9%. That's just the average currently in the market right now. Let's talk about something else you don't know about most of the time. There are also programs that help you out with down payment assistance. And I'm not saying down payment assistance is for everybody because usually they want something in return and sometimes it's great for short term but not good for long term. But there are programs out there that make sense. I always would say use down payment assistance over renting. But listen at this here. 80% qualify for down payment assistance that don't even use it. 13% actually use down payment assistance. So there's about 7% just don't qualify. Out of 80%, 13% use it. So it's an option you should always look at. If your loan officer is not going over all your options, whether it's conventional, finance, down payment assistance, and explaining the differences, they're not doing their job. So understand the differences of each program. What's the benefit short term? What's the benefit long term? How is this going to help me at the end of the day get into the house? So just know there are programs out there to help you if you decide you need it. Here's the crazy thing, another stat you might not know. The average program provides a benefit of roughly $17,000. Not the end of the world. If I was renting right now, didn't have cash saved, and I can get $17,000 to buy a house, keep my mortgage within $500, $800 what I'm currently paying now, I would say do that. Like I always tell everybody, it's got to make financial sense. It's got to make timing sense. If those two things line up, let's look at it. Just know at the end of the day, looking into buying a house doesn't have to be I'm gonna buy a house, but at least know your options and what they're out there for you. As always, I'll bring the facts, I'll bring the data. You just got to bring the decision.